Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Manus and OWL. In order to do so, here we are at manus.im, and we're also at github.com/camel-ai/owl. And according to AI, the competition between Manus and OWL represents a significant clash between commercial and open source AI agents. Manus was released by the Monica IM team and is marketed as the world's first universal AI agent and emphasizes autonomous execution capable of independently completing tasks from goal setting to result delivery. Manus has gained significant attention with invitation codes being resold for up to $7,000 on secondhand markets. On the other hand, OWL is an open source alternative to Manus developed by the Meta GPT team. OWL was created in just 3 hours and quickly gained traction with 9 WeChat groups filling up within a day. OWL provides a low barrier option for users, fostering a community-driven approach to AI development. The key differences include a commercial versus open source ethic. Manus is a commercial product with a high barrier to entry due to its invitation-only beta testing and expensive invitation codes. OWL, being open source, is freely available to anyone, promoting wider accessibility and community collaboration. Manus claims to achieve state-of-the-art results in Gaia benchmark tests, significantly surpassing OpenAI's deep research model. However, its performance varies across different domains, with some tasks yielding unsatisfactory results due to context length limitations. OWL has gained popularity within the tech community, with developers and enthusiasts contributing to its development and improvement. This community-driven approach has led to quick iterations and enhancements. With Manus, users have reported mixed results. While it excels in tasks like writing news reports and generating financial analysis, it struggles with more complex tasks such as generating a Three.js-based character skeletal animation control system. OWL has been praised for its performance and flexibility, with some users finding it to be a strong alternative to Manus. The open source nature of OWL allows for continuous improvement and customization, making it a viable option for those who prefer a more transparent and collaborative approach. The battle between Manus and OWL is part of a broader trend in the AI agent market, where commercial and open source models are competing for dominance. As more players enter the field, the competition is expected to intensify, driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of what AI agents can achieve. This dual competition might be the prologue to a new era of AI development, where the lines between commercial and open source solutions become increasingly blurred. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, take a look at the link in the description. You'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.